My house is a chaotic house. There are 3 amazing high-energy boys. Robbie is 9, has ADHD, Hayes is 6, and is as stubborn as they come. Arlo is 4 and has FOXP1 syndrome, requiring more specialized care as he has a significant speech delay and delayed motor skills. Individually, these kids can be easy, but altogether, with 3 distinctively different personalities and ideas, it can be stressful pulling anyone in 3 different directions. Julia and I were introduced to each other in a rematch after we both had experienced some rather unfortunate things with our previous matches. I would say we were both a little shy to trust each other, and rightfully so. But here are some stories as we have moved through our journey together. Before Julia started, Arlo had become so anxious being left with anyone, he would cling to me and grab at my shirt the instant I walked in the door. Julia's first full day with the boy, I had to come home late from work. But this day was different. As I pulled into the driveway, Julia and the boys were headed to the park. Arlo simply said, "Hi, Mom," and walked right past me, and I had to beg for a hug. The instant wave of relief in just 2 meetings with Julia, I was seeing Arlo become himself again, and it was beautiful. Julia's patience is truly remarkable, both with the boys as well as with us as host parents. I love the way she has truly become a part of our family. She fully engages with the boys at their level, helping them to feel special and seen. She's always supportive to our decisions as parents and feels comfortable to help us brainstorm ideas to work to get the best out of our kids. Most importantly, she has been so observant to what happens in our house and takes on tasks that reduce stress on us as parents as an intuitive part of her nature. Her ability to do this has literally had a positive impact on my own health, and I am forever grateful. Her willingness to be open and communicate have been key to the successful partnership in a way that I had only dreamed of being possible. One additional story. Sometimes I will be standing in the kitchen, staring at a cookie or considering a glass of wine after a hard day. Kids could be running around or calmly eating dinner, and she'll catch me just staring and contemplating. I often look to her and say, "But I shouldn't." She simply will caringly look back and wholeheartedly say, "Why not? You deserve it." And those words melt me into a calm place. Her presence, her hard work, her intuition. These are maybe things that come naturally to her. I don't know. But they have been life-changing for our family. So when I say she should be nominated for Au Pair of the Year, let me say it isn't why not she deserves it. It's wholeheartedly, absolutely.